Hi everyone, welcome back to the last part actually of the user experience videos, and here we'll look at the evaluation tools. So evaluation tools or evaluation of UX user experience basically looks at we are trying to make sure that what we've put together so far in our design is something that the end users actually want and they would actually use it. So we're trying to see whether what we have envisioned that the system will be used for is in fact going to be used for that purpose. Because at the end of the day, we don't want our system to fail or application to fail. A lot of applications tend to fail because they're either solving the wrong problem or they have the right features the wrong features for the right problem, or they've used the right features but those features are just way too complicated for the end users. And how does that come about? It comes about when you don't involve your end users throughout the design process. Remember, user-centered design is key. So the evaluation of user experience does not necessarily happen at the end of the design process, because remember that the design cycle is iterative. So it sort of like happens along the entire design process. Wherever you are in that design process cycle, you can do your evaluation to make sure that when you actually get to the end of the entire design process, you don't have a lot of problems to fix. Before we look at the evaluation tools, let's first look at the usability versus user testing. So usability is basically just evaluating whether the users can actually use the system that you've designed. We've covered usability in the very first videos, and user testing is when you're evaluating whether your users actually need your system. So user testing actually comes before usability. So it happens at the very beginning of the design process to make sure that the system that you're trying to design is actually something that the users would actually use at the end of the day. But both usability and user testing need to be done. I think that's all that we will cover in this video. In our next video, we will look at the types of evaluation tools. But I hope you guys found this video very useful. Please don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just leave them down in the comments below, and I'll make sure to look at them.